Ever wonder what's inside a professional coffee wood factory? Today, we're taking you deep into our raw material warehouse to show you why our standards for export-grade pet products are non-negotiable. These are 10-year-old aged coffee wood pieces, specially crafted for reptile hideouts and natural pet habitats. Featuring unique, organic burl patterns, this aged wood produces a stunning, natural golden hue that pets absolutely love. Our production starts with raw coffee wood blanks for dog chews. The process begins with precision cutting, followed by a rigorous selection phase. We maintain strict quality control. Out of every 10 raw pieces, only 3 to 5 meet our standards, while any wood with cracks or structural flaws is discarded immediately. Here is our 16 centimeter size, with a 3.5 centimeter diameter. And here is our large size, 18 to 20 centimeters, ready for finishing. Check out all these bags! Each one holds about 1,000 pieces. This is just a fraction of our stock. We've got plenty of volume here to handle large orders, no problem. Now, for the big dogs. We specialize in these larger, heavy-duty pieces. We're talking about a length of 23 centimeters, with a robust diameter ranging from 4.5 to 5.5 centimeters. Honestly, these are quite rare in nature. It's incredibly difficult to find coffee wood that grows this thick and stays perfectly straight without any cracks or structural flaws. Because of that, our team has to meticulously hand sort through thousands of branches just to pick out the top-tier ones. It takes a massive effort, but it's the only way to ensure that the final product is strong enough and safe enough for large breeds to enjoy. Quality is our priority. We hand sort every branch to ensure only the straightest, cleanest pieces make the cut. Anything curved or flawed is removed immediately. Our rigorous selection starts from the very beginning, ensuring you receive only the best, premium-grade materials. And that's how we turn nature into premium, export-grade products. As a direct manufacturer, we ensure both quality and scale for your business. Looking for a reliable coffee wood partner? Let's connect and grow your brand together. Thanks for watching.